G'day everybody, Pepsi here from My Kiwi Christmas. Here we are in the backyard. I'm going to show you today how we make these things here called inflatables. Here's Pete. Stay up in the wind. So what I do is I obviously attach to the ground with a PVC pipe on an angle like that. You can see it. Put them there, tie it up. Now the back is the easiest one. As you'll see here, back of the motor, I stick a twist tie, a cable tie sorry, around there, and hey presto, there you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn them off and watch them go down.